Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these nightstands with LED strips. This one here comes a pack of 2. So here is the nightstands. These ones come with an LED strip. These ones are a pack of 2. These are the farmhouse style end tables, which have barn doors. So this is what the package looks like. I'm going to go ahead and put these together. I'm going to show you everything that is in here. It does come with the instructions manual. As long as you do it by the instruction says, you should be fine. And it's super easy to put together. They look super nice. This one does come with 2 remotes. You get 1 per each side table. They have 16 static colors, 4 dynamic modes. You have got jumpy, you have changing colors, so they offered several different colors. And in the back of this, they do have a 110 power plug. They give you 3 of those, and then you get 2 USB, so you can plug in your phone or your tablets. These are super nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these all together, and then I will come back once I'm done. Then I'll show you the finished product, including what it looks like with the LED lights. Alright, so we're back. I finished building this. You can see how well this looks. You can see the barn style door here. It does have LED lights that go on the bottom, and it does connect on the top. You do have a power plug up on the top. So when you open this up, you have a little cubby hole in here. It looks really nice. I did get the dark gray color, and then you can see the LED light strips here. So this one is a pack of 2, so you'll get 2 of everything. Right here at the back on the top, you can see you've got 2 power plugs. There's 2 110, and you also got 2 USB plug-ins, so you can charge your tablets or your phones or your computer. So if you're looking for a nice side table that has a nice LED strip lights, I would highly recommend checking these ones out.